Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Fabfitfun for winter 2020. Finally something to look forward to this year. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. For those of you who don't know, Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription service. Unlike a lot of the other ones that you see on YouTube in the beauty world, it is not just makeup. So it can be jewelry. This was a Fabfitfun pick. Maybe in the spring or in the summer, who knows when I got it, could have been years ago. Jewelry, skincare, sometimes they were like supplement samples and workout stuff. I'm trying to think of what else. Obviously makeup, hair care, just tons of like beauty, lifestyle, health, everything across the board. It's really diverse, which is why I like it. It's $49.99 per quarter. So you do get these quarterly, so it's 4 times a year. This is the winter box. Let's get started. I'm gonna save my favorite pick for last. I just opened it up and it is on my lap. It is the one thing that I really wanted. And I am a select member, meaning I pay for the year up front, like in one payment. And that means other than the 2 to 3 items that Fabfitfun will pick for everybody, no matter what, all the other items I get to customize. If you're a regular Fabfitfun member, you get to customize a few of the different categories. As select, I get to customize them all, which is nice because there's less chance of me getting items I'm not in love with or can't use or regift. So let's get started. First and foremost, the second most exciting thing I was super happy to get was this little mirror. You're going to end up seeing my setup. Here it is. There's my Mac. And there is my setup there with my tabletop ring light, my camera, and a little mic that's not plugged in. But I love it. It is adjustable here. I just love it. It did come with batteries and then the USB here. But so I was excited to get the mirror. There were also some other options just to give you guys an idea if you are looking to subscribe to this. Also, this is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Fabfitfun in any way. I do pay for my own box, all that stuff. They had some Lily Pulitzer teacups here. There was also a Caudalie moisturizing sorbet that you could have picked from, and then a scarf or a rapid collagen infusion from Murad. So I love Murad. I actually got this in a previous Fabfitfun. So these were the items. I chose the mirror. I really wanted the teacups too, but I have enough teacups and mugs that I don't use, so I didn't. So that's what I got there. Super excited for that. Oh, they also randomly threw in this Kind bar. It's one of the thins, so it's not like a full-size Kind bar. This one is dark chocolate, nut, and sea salt, and it's 90 calories, so sure, I'll snack on that. Okay, the next item is a mascara, which I'm actually pretty excited for. Ilia is a brand that a few of my Canadian bestie in my head's like Samantha Ravindal, Jamie Page. There's just a few people that I've noticed mentioning this brand, and I was like, that's really interesting. And I wanted to try some stuff, but I have been downsizing my makeup collection, and I'm trying not to buy too many things. I never like to buy high-end mascara because there are so many drugstore versions that are so good, but Ilia is one that I have been interested in. It is the Limitless Lash Mascara. I will start using this soon because the mascara I have now is I can't even tell. There we go. There it's focused. So it's like short bristles. I think that this will be really good with lengthening and separating my lashes. So I'm really excited for this too. Really pretty, right? I love this packaging. I like the way it feels. Other than that, what could we have gotten? There was this little cinnamon and spice eyeshadow palette, which I do not need. And then a cleanser from Dr. Brand. Now the next category, I picked this item from Tula Skincare. It is the Rose Glow and Get It Eye Balm. And it is just this stick. There you go. And oh, it's really, wow, it feels nice. Okay, so it is rose, right? I don't think it smells like rose, to be honest, which is a good thing because I know a lot of people hate the smell of rose. but this is again supposed to cool and brighten your under eye area. So once again, I hate using the word excited so much, but it's winter, my skin is getting drier, and I would like to hydrate these guys. So in category 5, we could have gotten this apple cider vinegar shampoo powder. I don't really use powders in my hair. My hair's typically really dry. Also cutting boards, and I think that's it. So I chose these under eye gels, and I have things like this. They're fine. I just really didn't need more cutting boards, and I don't use like that like any kind of powder hair product. So this is just kind of what they are, and they just look like that. Just stick them under your eye. They're supposed to cool, depuff, hydrate, things like that. So whatever, it'll be good. Between these two products, hopefully I'll get my under eyes in check, right? Okay, the next 3 products are the ones that Fabfitfun, no matter what, they select out of their little pool of options, they select for you. So I ended up getting these scrunchies, and I would never spend $25 for 3 scrunchies. But they actually are not as big as I thought they would be, which is nice because I feel like this is something that I would wrap my hair around twice and it would keep my hair in place. I have really thick hair, so I don't even know if you can tell. Probably not. But I just have a lot of hair. And my hair is even though it's as thick as it is, because I have a lot of hair, the strands themselves are fine. So I do need something that will have some like oomph to it. Does that make sense? You know what I mean, right? So I got these 3 scrunchies, different colors. They're cute. And what next? Oh, this lip scrub. So, you know, it's a lip scrub. It's from Wish, which has really nice smelling products. I've had some things from them before. This is Vanilla Bean. They're not disappointing here. Not disappointing. So you could have gotten this, some blemish patches, or this like faux crocodile credit card case. This is something I'm glad that I have versus the other items, because I already have a wallet and I don't really break out often, so I feel like I would have forgotten about those products. The last product is a blush, and I was kind of disappointed when I first saw it because I was like, what the heck? I am decluttering all my makeup, but it was either this or a nail recovery or liquid eyeliner. I suck at liquid liner. I suck at liner to be like in general, but this is what it looks like. It's from Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. Anytime something's called blusher, I feel fancy. I'm like, I'm in like the golden age of like movies and stuff. It looks like it's gonna be more of like an orange, you know, less pink. Ooh. I do like it. I like, you know, the mirror and everything, but this is nice. When I was doing my eye makeup today, I put on blush and I was like, oh, it's too pink. And now I'm like, oh, I feel like most of my blush is more on the pink side, like cool undertone. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see at all. It's nice. It has like a sheen to it, which I feel like if you use blush toppers, this would kind of be a nice blush topper, or just bring that sheen into your skin, which is nice to like liven it up a little bit. I wonder if I should try to add this without a, what's it called? Brush. Am I completely screwing up my makeup? Possibly. Do I care? Nah, I don't take it that seriously, to be honest. Is that it? Am I done? I believe so. Now, for the first option, you could have gotten these champagne flutes. There was this compact organizer, an elixir, like a tea seed elixir, this beautiful robe, which I almost got, but I have several robes. I don't need any more. A teeth whitening kit, and I was kind of annoyed that this was all in one, because I'm like, well, I really wanted the teeth whitening kit and the robe. The champagne flutes would have been nice, but I ended up getting this blanket, and it is Unhide Lil Marshmallow blanket, and it is faux chinchilla. That's why it feels so damn nice. It is it retails for $65. And it's beautiful. So you can see up close, it is this beautiful like gray cloud color. And then the other side is less fur, you know. Beautiful. It is so soft. I'll show you how big it is. And I am so excited for this blanket. I can wrap myself up in it. And do I have too many blankets? Yes. Do I care? No. So that's it. That is my Fabfitfun winter box for 2020. And I'm thrilled. Very rarely am I excited about my boxes. Even when I got like the shipping notification, I wasn't really that thrilled, but I really wanted that mirror, guys. This mirror is clutch. Just, I love it. And it's kind of nice to have for like when I'm filming, but just to do my makeup, obviously. Like, why else would I have a mirror? But the things I wasn't excited about, I'm still not excited about the eye gel pads because like, whatever. I'm really excited about this blush. I didn't think I would like it. Like when I first saw it, I was like, oh, I got the makeup. I didn't want it, but I like to pick out my own makeup. But really pretty. I think it does kind of go with my skin tone as well. Sorry, my dog is looking at me from outside. And the mascara I'm excited about. This blanket is life. So that's it. Clearly, I'm happy with this box. I will link down below. I think there might be like a $10 off coupon. Yeah, there is a $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. So I will put the code down below for anyone who wants it. I don't know if it is good for more than one person, so definitely check it out ASAP. But I don't need it. So, and most of my friends that would like this service are already subscribed. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.